So welcome to another lesson. So this time we are going to learn how to collect inputs from our users, how to collect information from our users using MailChimp. MailChimp is one of my favorite tools for collecting input from our users, for collecting username and email address, for growing my mailing list. Because at some point you would not just want your users to come around and read your blog post or just visit your website and go away. You would want to collect those informations from them, and also to collect those information from them so you can talk to them, so you can be in constant contact with them, and also you can communicate your product offerings, new things that you're doing with them. So let's start up right ahead. First, let's go to MailChimp and create an account. So we've opened a new tab, type MailChimp. So that's MailChimp.com. So this is the first page you will see, accept all cookies. So if you have an account before now, go ahead and click login. But if you don't have an account, click on sign up. So it's straightforward. Put in your email address, your username. Your username can be any name and a very strong password. So I have an account already. I'm going to go back in and log in straight ahead. Then I'm assuming that you've opened an account before. Now you've opened an account already. So input your username and go ahead and add your password. So I'm moving in. So the dashboard in itself is super cool, very easy to navigate and very easy to use. But what we're doing now, we're not interested in everything that's happening here, but we just want to create a form which we'll embed on our website to collect contacts from our users. So let's go ahead. Let's click on create, then go to sign up form. Then let's click on embedded form. This is what we need, embedded form. Scroll down. So this is the constant template given to almost everyone by MailChimp. So what we can do, we can remove the subscribe and say, let's put something that has to do with action. Let's say download the ebook. So this is it, download the ebook. So we're not telling them to subscribe, we're giving them a reason why they should subscribe. So once we're good with that, we'll go ahead and copy this HTML code. So just do a Ctrl-A, a Ctrl-C. So copy it. Let's go back to our website. We're going to input it in one of these blog posts. So click on edit on this one. You can put it anywhere on your website. You can put it on your page. You can put it on your blog post. So we're going to do it differently. We'll put it on our page, on our blog post, on our post. Then we'll go ahead and put it on our page. So let's scroll down to the end of this blog post. This is the end. Click on plus. Let's add a block to it. This is the end. Let's add a block. So this is the block. Let's look for, this is custom HTML. If yours is not here, go ahead and search for HTML. So you see it, click on it. So it's asking you to write HTML, but instead of writing anything, go ahead and paste the code you copied from MailChimp. Ctrl-V to paste. So this is all of it. This is all the code we copied. Preview the way it looks like right here. So you see, download the ebook, enter your email address and your name. So let's go ahead and say update. Then view our post. Then scroll down a lot. This is it. Let me enter an email address, a funny email address that says maybe businessblog@gmail.com, and let me say the full name is businessblog, and hit subscribe. So now it's telling us, yes, our form has been sent. Thank you for subscribing. Let's go back to our MailChimp dashboard. Now let's go back to, let's click on our home. When you click on the chimp, it will take you back home. So let's see if anything has happened yet. Let's see if we've gotten any subscriber yet. Where is it? Let's click on audience. Yes, audience. So I'm looking for where we have subscribers. Yes, this audience has 47 contacts. Click on the contacts. This is it. businessblog@gmail.com. The person's name is businessblog. I think we should also get a notification that someone has subscribed. Okay, no, but this is it. This is the new contact that just added. So let's confirm it. Let's go back and add another. Let's go back and add another email. Let's add something like website class@gmail.com. and website class as a name. So hit subscribe. Now it says thank you for subscribing. Go back and just click on refresh. So now the contact is now 78, and you see now we have website class and we have business blog. But sometimes you do not want the mail, you do not want the contact. Sometimes some contacts can be spams and they might not be good. So what you can do, you can go ahead and click, and then delete. So let's see, actions should be unsubscribe, and you can say remove. Are you sure you want to remove it? Oh, it's not going anywhere. So let's say click. Let's say action, archive. So confirm. So it's not like they are totally gone. So MailChimp hardly delete any contact. It's not like they're totally gone. But what's happening here is that you're not going to see them from this list again. You can always go back and bring them back all over again. So that's the way it works. So lastly, let's go back to our website dashboard. So we said we're going to input it in our page and also put it in our blog. Let's go back to our page. Say our page. So let's create a new page. So let's call this one subscribe. So now we just call it subscribe. So let's go ahead and just paste that. Let's go ahead and look for the HTML block. Custom HTML block, and paste the code inside of it, and that's all. And let's say publish. So let's view our page. So this is our page. Download the ebook, click on the email address and the first name, and yes, we have our image, and we have it here. It's still going to work. We can still input our image. You can still input a first name and click on subscribe. Now it says thank you very much for subscribing. So So that's the way it works, and that's the way you collect emails from your visitors and from your users. You can ask them to download a lot of stuff, free stuff, ebooks, a checklist, as many things as possible to collect their email address. And just make sure that when you're collecting email address, you're collecting it in a very proper manner, and also you are enabling two-way verification, double opt-in. Double opt-in is very important, so you don't have bots entering email addresses on your website, and also you can make sure that you're giving the content to real human beings. So that's it for this class. Next lesson, we're going to optimize our images. We're going to optimize all the images on our website, and I'm going to show you why it's good to optimize image and how you should optimize your image. Images are very important. They show people what your website is about and how to mostly navigate through your website, especially if your website has a lot of content, then you want to use images a lot. Depict a lot of things on your website. So I'll show you how to optimize your image in the next lesson.